G'day all, I've got a Jensen 20G here along with a DIY homemade transmission that I made some time ago. To the transmission, the transmission's coming off the Jensen generator, and then I've got a line coming back to this little Mamod Grindstone. Also, some time ago I made this little holder for a flint out of a Zippo lighter. Hopefully the camera's just focusing on that now. That's that. It's on a little steel shaft to hold. I'm going to try and see if the way I've got the transmission set up with the belts, if I can get enough speed up to get some sparks coming off the little Mamod Grindstone. This is a really nice 20G. I've just screwed that light out of the Jensen so there's no resistance coming from the generator to give it a bit more speed. I'm not sure who did the cutaways on here now, but it looks really good over the stock Jensen 20G. I made these little flat. I made these little brass water catchers out of some flat brass, and also made the oil cups. So I think this is coming up to steam now. So I've got two lights on here. Once I get it going, I'll put them. I'll turn them out. I'm holding this with one hand, so it's a little bit awkward, but I'll start her up now. Get some steam coming through the line. There we go. Okay, light one off, light two off. Let's see how we go. All those lights, just turn that down so I can hear myself talk. Well, that was pretty impressive. I hope the camera caught what I could see. I'll just screw that bulb in, give the engine something to work against. I'll turn the lights back off for a sec. Turning those lights back on definitely flares up on the back of the camera. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed that. That was pretty impressive from what I could see. I hope it was as impressive on the video when I put it up onto YouTube. This is one of the most handiest things I've ever had. I can run an accessory very, very slowly, or really fast, or multiple speeds in between. It's just absolutely unreal thing to have. Copied it off one of the Empire transmissions. It's very heavy, all steel plate and welded, and yeah, as I said, a great thing to have. And I've got to say again, I really love this engine. It's just a beautiful engine to run. I love the chuff that it makes, and I've got a lot of hours on this, and it's just fantastic. And I do like these cast iron light generators from Jensen. Geez, it's easy to get tongue-tied when you're doing video. Anyway guys, as always, really appreciate it. As always, thanks for looking, and bye now.